Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are back to our usual setup, and a lot of people are asking me to go back to my older setup. Yeah, so I was not in Chennai for past 2 weeks, so I didn't get a. I can't able to carry everything, whatever it is here, wherever I'm going, right? So I just managed with whatever I had. So whoever supported even by in this 2 weeks, really thank you for that. And so I did hunt the entire end case today. So as of the video, I think okay, I'm publishing this video on Sunday, so I got it on Saturday in that case. So let's start with this week. So this is a Honda Civic Type R. Okay, this is only one in the box. So people are asking me to get one more for them, and honestly, I'm not able to get it. And here is the BMW 2000. This is also like only one in the box. So we did unbox this in the Neon series. That is full metal version. I really like that one, and it really glowed under the UV light very well. So this one I really loved the paint job. As you guys know, and if you're a regular follower of the channel, you might know by right now, I am really a sucker for this glittery paint job. So I bought this, and this particular one looks really nice. So yeah, and this is new for 2025, and I was eyeing for this for a very long time. I thought we missed this case out in India, so luckily this came this time, and I bought two of it. So because this has this gimmick, the hands will go up and down like this. So I will be unboxing this. I want to showcase this to everyone because even I want to know how this one actually feels in my hand, and which part is metal, and I mean, it does look a bit cute and it has some kind of gimmick, right? So this case had a lot of cars which had some gimmicks. Like there is one pixel shaker, and there is one skull shaker. So the head moves, left and right. These are like only one in the box. So I didn't buy those because I don't want to buy much fantasy. So personally I like cats, so I bought this one, and this is like more of a sentimental thing I bought. So next one would be this one. So the Mercedes-Benz 500e. So if you guys remember, we unboxed this multiple times in different color. I think there is a green color, and before that there was a black color and a gray color, I guess. So I don't know if this is the same color we unboxed long back. So just thought of unboxing it again, so I bought it. So I bought all these things for MRP only, not a penny more. And here is the new one for this year. So the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. So it does look really nice. The paint job looked really nice, so I bought it. So we need to unbox and see how this one looks. I'm really curious to see how this one looks. So because the paint job looks really beautiful. And last but not least for this particular week, which is this one. So this one is the customized 56 Ford truck, and I really love this so much because this has this Day of the Dead livery, and you can see it is new for 2025 here. So I thought, okay, this is also like whatever I showed you guys right now. I think apart from the Benz, yeah, Benz had like it had two pieces if I'm not wrong. I don't know. I gave it to someone, so I don't remember that. But yeah, Benz was two in the case. Rest everything. Okay, this Feline Lucky. If you are really interested in this one, this is also like two in the case. Rest everything so far which I showed you guys. I think these three for sure I remember like only one in the case. Turbo Cabriolet is also two in that case. So unfortunately, I was not able to get two, so I got one for me. So that's it. Okay, we will be unboxing these cars this week, so stay tuned for this, guys. And yeah, keep watching. And again, thanks for watching so far. Have a great day. Goodbye.